Every night he heard typing from his laptop, but when he looked, the screen was off. Next morning, the file was open. The last line read, "Stop checking, let me finish." He couldn't shake the feeling of being watched, a chill creeping down his spine every time he approached the laptop again. Each evening blurred into the next, the typing echoing ominously in his mind. Determined to uncover the truth, he finally opened the file, bracing himself for whatever revelation lay within. The cursor blinked expectantly as if urging him to proceed.